On slopes like these, felling a centuries-old cedar isn't just logging, it's a high-stakes ballet. Every cut, every wedge, every rope placement is choreographed with precision. One misstep, and the mountainside becomes a stage for tragedy. These aren't just loggers, they're virtuosos of risk and responsibility. Steep inclines present a significant hazard for heavily laden logging vehicles. Navigating such terrain necessitates a highly skilled operator and the utilization of winching equipment to ensure a safe and successful transit.
De la caja, era mejor, es un señor.